The best passive income investments. There's at least four on that I like, but I'm sure there's more if you sit down and you actually think about it on what you prefer. But I'll give you my four. And but first, what is passive income? Passive income is where you're earning money with the least amount of effort. That's, if you're doing affiliate marketing, that's what we like. Earning money while you sleep. So let's dive right in. The first thing you can do as far as passive income is you can do stocks. If you're a day trader or you like doing that kind of stuff, because it's the least amount of effort that you can get into. Also, real estate. Real estate's really good if you got the money to get into it, because then you can flip houses, you can buy them, rent them out. Sometimes it's a little bit of a headache, as far as, getting renters and collecting the money and that kind of stuff. But there's also one you probably haven't heard of, or one that you probably haven't been thinking about, and that is vending machines, or coin car washes. Like you pull in there and you can wash it yourself. Those things, and you can vacuum. Those things make a ton of money, especially if you got a vending machine, because you can get them anywhere from 1,000, I'd say, up. But you can put them in a good location where you're getting traffic. All you have to do is minimum work, going by keeping them filled up, and you can do that yourself, because you can go to Sam's or Costco, wherever, whatever's in your area. You can buy the stuff in bulk, then just go fill it up once a week or once every 2 weeks, according, how much sales you got. And my favorite on the list is affiliate marketing. That's probably one, where you sell other people's products. You don't know what affiliate marketing is. It's basically you're promoting other people's products. It could be from anywhere. It could be from Amazon, Target, just or anything. Anybody who has affiliate program that has stuff to sell, more than likely they probably got an affiliate program that you can join and get your unique link, affiliate link. Then you can start promoting it. And when you promote something and you sell something, then you get a check, a commission check, which is great. Now, affiliate marketing, the beauty of affiliate marketing is that you ain't got to worry about shipping. You ain't got to worry about keeping products down in your basement. You ain't got to worry about customer service, returns, none of that. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing, because once you sell it, you get your money, and that's it. That's it in a nutshell. Only thing you got to do is learn the skills. Out of all of the stuff, the vending machines, maybe the coin operated car wash, real estate. Real estate, that's one of those things you got to be kind of crafty at, and kind of know what you're doing, and maybe learn, where to buy, what not to buy, that kind of stuff, where you can actually make money, either flip them or turn them into, renters, rental property, which is good. But affiliate marketing is probably one of the easiest, because you ain't got to worry about going to go fill anything up or check anything. All you're doing is supplying traffic to a certain product and promoting it, and getting a check. So, but just like real estate and affiliate marketing, you need to have some type of skill level. Either somebody's helping you, or or you take some kind of class. Especially with real estate, you just don't want to jump in there and not know anything about it, because you can really get burned. And same thing with affiliate marketing. I'm sure you've seen these videos where people saying, "Hey, you can make 5,000 a month, 10,000 a month." You can, but you got to put some work into it. If you're going to do that. Plus, you got to know what you're doing. And the only way to really know what you're doing is training. You got to get an advisor to help you, a mentor to push you, because you're going to have days where, hey, I'm tired, or this ain't working, I ain't made no money. Well, That's where the advisor and mentor pushes you and says, look, you're just getting started. You know, you got to get your name out there. You got to get this stuff built. You got to learn, you know, you got to get your email campaign going, your funnel. You know, there's a lot to do and learn before you jump into making money. I mean, there's going to be things where you're going to be like, hey, I'm ready to start making money day one, but you got to learn the skills first. It's not hard, but it's not difficult. So no matter what you see on YouTube and TikTok, just take it with a grain of salt and just remember you need the proper training. You need the guidance, the mentor, the community, that where, if you got a problem or a question, you can reach out and somebody can help you. And that's where we come in. We got guys that have been making 6-7 figures for years, been doing this stuff for a long time, and they know what works, what doesn't work. So you don't have to worry about trying to figure it out. It's not cut and paste. So you got to learn the skills. But once you learn them, you can use these skills and put them to any product that you want. You're not just limited when they say, hey, copy this link, put it in this in ClickFunnels and say, then change the wording around a little bit, then that's yours. Well, they might have made money doing it, but now only people making money is the people you copy, because you just, now they're getting a monthly commission off you. So keep that in mind when you start looking at this kind of stuff. But passive income, that's what everybody wants. That's what everybody, strives. There's nothing wrong with the vending machines. It's a good way to make money. A lot of people put money in them to get snacks and stuff out. It's a great opportunity. You can get them off Amazon if you're interested, but then kind of scope out a good spot for them. And like I said, you can go Costco if that's in your area, or Sam's, or whatever's in your area. Buy the stuff, fill it up. Depends on how much volume you do. You may have to go by once a month, once every couple of weeks. I wouldn't go too long, but I would probably go at least every 2 weeks. One, you can check on it. Two, you make sure everything stays up to date. But I'm telling you, affiliate marketing, that's where it's at. You can do it from anywhere. Doesn't matter your location. You can do it in Hawaii, the Caribbean. You can do it Asia, Middle East, wherever you're at, you can do affiliate marketing. All you need is a laptop and some patience and some time, and you can do anything. Just remember, affiliate marketing in the digital marketing space, you can do it anywhere in the world. Once you learn the skills, it's yours. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash and like and subscribe. And I will see you next week with another great video.